Welcome to Food Fanatix. In this video, we'll be showing you how to make Paneer Makhani. Heat 2 tablespoons oil. Add 4 sliced onions. Add 5 tomatoes. 7 to 8 green chilies. 2 teaspoons salt. 1 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon Zeera, 3 bay leaves, 4 to 5 cinnamon sticks, 1 green cardamom, half cup cashew nuts. Mix well. Cover and let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Grind the mixture. Sieve the mixture. You can add a bit of water to loosen the pulp. Heat 1 tablespoon oil. Add 500 grams of paneer and shallow fry until golden brown. Add 100 grams of unsalted butter. One tablespoon fresh cream. 1 teaspoon sugar. 1 teaspoon Kasoori Methi and mix. Add the paneer. Cover and let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Do try out the recipe. Thanks for watching.